Hello my monarchs! In this week's video we have our first fall set of 2021. I'm super excited because like every year I can't be any more happier with the weather change. Let's prep our nails. Don't forget to dust off any residue. I'm using my nail drill to file down the nail tips. I had my tips pre-measured already. I find it very important to do this step as in my experience it helped with my set staying longer onto my nails.
Everybody's going to the party, have a real good time.
Let's start with applying the nail glue onto our nail tips. Dust them nails off. That should be a song. Anyways, I have my UV lamp the kit came with. Apply a good amount, not too much or not too little. Place onto nail, making sure it's straight. Press down firmly and move to underneath the UV lamp. First nail done, let's move with the rest. All set, time to cut them girls down. I'm using my Kiss nail tip cutter.
Everybody's going to the party, have a real good time.
Cut to your liking.
Dancing in the desert, blowing up.
And of course, filing the top and edges if you like. Wow, look at that. So easy and simple. I'm using acrylic paint I got from Target, only $1, and when I saw it, I thought of fall. I'm using my number 6 paintbrush and applying coats, and I mean coats of this acrylic paint. For my pinky, I'm using this beautiful golden tape for some geometric lines.
Everybody's going to the party, have a real good time.
For my ring finger, I found these beautiful golden leaves at Target.
Dancing in the desert, blowing up the sunshine.
For my pointer, I'm using some gold flakes and aligning them into a diagonal corner.
Everybody's going to the party, have a real good time. Dancing in the desert, blowing up the sunshine.
For my middle finger, I'm using this orange sparkles. Can you guess where I got them? I got them at Target. As well as my pinky, I'm doing the same thing to my thumb. Of course, after every design, I use the same nail glue as top coat and cured every nail afterwards. All done except for the cuticle oil.
Everybody's going to the party, have a real good time. Dancing in the desert, blowing up.
Now we're all done. Let me know in the comments below what kind of fall/Halloween set you want me to do, or try any nail kit from Amazon. Thank you all so much for watching. See you all next week. Bye!